In this playlist, we're going to have a look at running bare metal applications from the LIM. First, we'll configure a bare metal application, then build the HSS and program it into the ENVM. Next, we'll generate a payload of the bare metal application and program it into the eMMC. Finally, we'll boot up and test the application. To complete the steps shown in this playlist, you'll need the Soft Console IDE along with MSys2 on Windows to build the HSS and a serial emulator such as PuTTY. The Icicle kit can be used with a factory default design. To restore this design, watch the video called Getting Back to Factory Defaults. If you want to learn about the HSS and how to configure it to build on Windows, watch the video called What is the HSS? Finally, to connect to the Icicle kit for the steps in this video, connect the power cable as shown. To program the MSS or fabric, connect a micro USB cable to the connector in the bottom left. Or to use an external programmer, use the header shown. To use the UARTs, connect a micro USB cable to the connector in the bottom right. To use the MSS USB for eMMC programming, connect a micro USB cable to the connector at the top of the board. All of the connections are shown here. In our next video, we will configure a bare metal application to run from the LIM.